It's good for you.
Hear that airplane? Hear the airplane? Hear the airplane? That smile.
That'll put me to sleep.
There you
I
go.
can see one.
There you go.
Say,
Right,
Uncle
standing
Don,
pretty good.
who's
Yep.
going out on the boat with me tomorrow? Anybody?
I can't.
I'm really disappointed now. Everybody just shut me down.
Sorry, Uncle Don.
I would, but I have to work.
Hello!
Has anyone even
Don't throw up. Don't puke.
You go, Grandpa.
I don't do that. Say, I don't do that.
He's standing. He's trying to use his leg muscles pretty good.
His legs are pretty strong. His arms are what need work.
Yeah.
He's not good at tummy time right now.
No, she's not saying pillow.
Face
She,
plants.
keep going straight.
Maggie, you're cheating again.
When do you go back
She's
to
not
work?
saying anything.
Tuesday.
That's a pillow.
Why didn't you wait for it?
Hello.
I did. I mean, it's been over 2
Well, aren't
months.
you going out home or up there to get the baby baptized? So you're gonna have to take time off.
No.
What if they
we're
say
gonna,
no?
We're gonna leave 11 o'clock in the morning. He's gonna meet me at work and pick me up at work, and we'll go straight out from there.
Where'd Tom go?
Marco.
Not feeling photogenic right now, Mike.
Wow, you look good with your new haircut.
Thank you.
Marco.
But seriously, pointed at somebody.
That's scrumptious.
Stands pretty good. Yeah. I can feel it. His legs.
He's got a lot of strength.
Oh, you're right. That's not.
Oh, you gonna cry?
You should have to do a belly flop to get
How'd you cry?
Marco.
Marco?
Relax. Sit down, Mag.
I think they need
Marco.